All right, everybody, back again. We're gonna do a little more tear down on the G35 today. Hopefully the plan, I'm just gonna be out here for a little bit, not too long today, but I want to get this radiator shroud tore out. Obviously I got to drain the coolant. Hoping, I haven't even looked underneath it yet. I'm hoping there's a plug in there. Try to get all of this stuff up front detached and hopefully get this radiator course poured out. So I have to take a close look at it and see what I got going here, but that's kind of my plans for today. And then hopefully tomorrow I can start pulling out the harness and start working on actually getting the engine out. So that's the plan for today. Those of you that watched the last video all the way through, I did kind of make a little announcement. I'll make it early on this time. It's apparent that nobody really watches full videos, so I'm looking, once I get to 1,000 subscribers, and I know that's far away. I'm sitting at 28 right now, so definitely looking for everybody's support. But as a thank you, I'm gonna do a giveaway, and I'm thinking right now, and comments, if you give me comments, give me ideas, great. It might give me a better idea than what I'm looking, but it seems like the new Holley Terminator X is really popular right now. So I was thinking once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll do a giveaway either using my Instagram, which is all lowercase boost underscore MV900. I'll either be giving it away there or here on YouTube. Kind of have to see how things go there. So give me a shout in the comments though if you guys have any other ideas. You know, I do have some engines as well that I could put together and do engine giveaway. I got a LQ4 6 liter. I've got another Gen 4 5.3 liter, the LY5, and Bear Block Gen 3 5.3. So that's something that I could also do, as well as I'm gonna have this engine and tranny here that I'm gonna be trying to sell. But if that's something you guys might like to see as a giveaway as well, you know, I could do that. It will be missing a couple things because like I mentioned in the last video, I'm going to be keeping the factory power steering and the factory AC. So we'll just kind of see how that goes there. One other thing, and I'm not going to give too much information on it because I don't know if he's really released any information, but I talked to Steven at LOJ Conversions yesterday, and he's looking to do some pretty cool stuff with CAN Bus and the Terminator X. So that's definitely something that I'm going to look into as opposed to running the factory ECU and harness. So he says it's going to be a little bit before he has it. So I might end up running the factory for a little bit and then we'll work my way into that. But we'll see what happens there. Anyways, I'm going to get to it here. Get you guys back on time lapse here and see if we can bust this stuff out that I want to get done today. We'll talk to you guys here in a little bit. Well, there we go. Pretty much accomplished what I wanted to for this evening. Hopefully over the next couple days I'll have some more posted up here, because I definitely want to get this engine yanked out. I'm gonna pull this whole power steering assembly out, because I'm pretty certain I'm gonna reroute this. I'm gonna be pulling the battery and probably mounting it in the trunk, and then hopefully I can reroute this back in here and kind of free up a little bit of space there. Talking with Steven with LOJ, he was saying my best option with his accessories is probably going to be to mount the turbo on this side. So we'll kind of see once the accessory drives show up and we're able to take a better look at things, we'll kind of go from there. But the motor mounts and the oil pan will actually be here tomorrow. I just got an email reminder from UPS, so I'll have those. I'll definitely be doing a video showing mounting those on the engine, and then we'll kind of go from there. I did also get these exhaust manifolds. These are takeoffs from an LS3. I found them on eBay, and they are the OEM ones, which is fantastic, and they were only 170 bucks. I mean, they're brand spanking new. It was a crate engine, and they pulled them directly off and put headers on, I'm assuming. So I'm gonna try to utilize those. They had a little better position where they angled down here already, so all I should have to do is just chop off this neck, weld on the V-band on both sides, and then I can route them down and under the accessories. So definitely looking forward to that. I'm not a welder by any means, but I'm gonna give it hell. We're gonna see how it goes, and I'm gonna I leave town heading back to work on Tuesday. This is Thursday right now, so I got a couple more days to work on things. When I get back, I am going to Hawaii for a week, but when I get back from that trip, then I'm gonna be purchasing a welder, and we're gonna go to town on some things out here. So I'm also looking, I didn't want to put that core support back in, so I want to figure out how to do a tubular. I'm wondering how much of this I can chop off, bring back, open up some room here, and kind of do it all tubular, bring out the support here for the bumper, and do a bash bar. I definitely want to do the bash bar underneath the bumper so I can get a bumper on, and then do a tubular radiator core support. Like I said, I am going to retain the AC, so I'm going to try and leave this all in here. The AC compressor is going to have to come off the engine, and then the power steering is going to come off the engine as well. So I'll be removing those, leaving them in place. Well, I'm going to take them out and then put them on the LS, the 5.3 that I got there in the garage, and we're going to give her hell. I truly hope everybody is enjoying this. I'm trying to be as detailed as possible. I've seen a lot of swaps on YouTube, but no one went into great detail what they experienced, what they didn't. So I'm hoping that doing this step by step, you know, will give you guys the information and the knowledge to be able to do it yourselves. Coming from somebody that's never done this before, this is something brand new. I want everyone to have fun like I am with this, even if it's just a couple hours, you know, a week, or a couple hours a day, or whatever time you get. Take it, run with it, enjoy it, have fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit that thumbs up. I look forward to the new subscribers. Any comments, I will answer your comments, whether it's positive or negative. I'm looking for the feedback from everybody. So hit me up if you have any suggestions, anything like that. Once again, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.